If you're someone who travels frequently, whether it's for business or weekend getaways, you know the struggle. Wrinkled clothes, cramped packing, and the hassle of juggling multiple bags. That's where the HOMIGLAM Garment Bag for travel comes in. I was gifted this bag for an honest review, and after using it on 2 different trips, I can say this really is one of the smartest travel accessories I own. Let me explain why. You start with a traditional garment bag that lays flat, so you can neatly organize your suits, dresses, or formal wear without worrying about creases. Then zip it up and it magically transforms into a sleek duffel bag. This transformation isn't just clever, it's practical. I packed 2 outfits for a wedding and still had room for casual wear, shoes, and toiletries. No extra bags required. I tried rolling, folding, and even garment folders, but nothing beats the structure of this bag because it lays your clothes flat and secures them with built-in straps. Everything stays in place. I arrived, hung my jacket up, and it looked great. At 22 by 12.5 by 10 inches, this thing is sized perfectly for overhead bins. I flew with it twice, no checked bags, no issues fitting it on board, even fully packed. It wasn't too bulky, and the detachable shoulder strap made airport navigation smooth and easy. So let's talk compartments. There's a shoe pocket that fits even my bulky sneakers, a wet, dry zipper pouch where I threw some used gym clothes, and an interior mesh compartment that kept my chargers and passport easy to find. It felt like a real travel system, not just a bag. It's built to last. The material is both tear resistant and water resistant, so when it rained on my way to the train station, everything inside stayed dry. And honestly, the modern blue design is clean and professional. I even got a few compliments checking in at the hotel. To keep it real, there are a few things I'd tweak. When packed fully, it can get heavy, and the shoulder strap could use a bit more padding for extended walks. The zippers are smooth, but a bit stiff at first. They did loosen up after some use. Limited color options, so if blue or black isn't your style, you're out of luck for now. If you're looking for a functional, stylish, and wrinkle-proof way to travel, the HOMIGLAM Garment Bag nails it. It's especially great for 3 to 5 day trips and makes travel feel more organized and less stressful. I'll be using it for all my upcoming trips and probably even as a gym bag in between. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews.